3 years ago I discovered that I'm a minimalist thanks to YouTube and MetaDavella. This video is about 3 methods that I use to reduce my things. And the first method I can't recommend it because it's a divorce. But if you are in this situation, you can find something good in it. Usually you will divide your possessions by 2 or even more, and if you are smart enough, you will be moved out of the house. It will provide you a possibility to review the things again and reduce them again. As a bonus, probably you will have more time to watch YouTube and to learn about the minimalism. The second method, buy an apartment or a house. You will move again and you can reduce your things to make this process easier. Usually after this you will have no money for the unnecessary things, and you can be quite selective about what do you want to see and what you really need in your new place. If after the previous 2 steps you still have money to spend, go to the travels as often as you can. In my opinion, it's better to invest into the experiences and memories and to learn something new than something that you don't really need. That was my main 3 methods, and the benefits of this lifestyle for me is that obviously it's easier to clean. I feel decluttered inside when it's decluttered outside, and it helps to be more focused and more productive. And also I feel like I have more freedom. I don't have plans to move somewhere, but if I'll decide the things are not a limitation here, I can put them in one minivan, or I can throw away almost everything. Except of course this IKEA leftovers and some old devices that I move around with me for the years. I hope after this video I'll finally make an action to get rid of them. Thanks for watching, subscribe, like. I recently realized that I want 100 subscribers to set the channel name, so your help will be appreciated. And see you